Hello and welcome to Talky Talk English. I'm your host, John, and I'm joined today by my co-host, Rebby.
Hey everyone! We're really excited about today's episode. We're going to teach you 50 essential phrases that you can use every day to sound more natural and confident.
That's right. And to make it easy, we've broken them down into 5 simple parts. Let's start with our first 10 phrases, all about greetings and small talk.
Part 1. Greetings and small talk. These are perfect for starting a conversation with anyone. How's it going? It's a relaxed way to ask, how are you? Example, hey Mark, how's it going? What have you been up to? Use this to ask what someone has been doing lately. For example, long time no see. What have you been up to?
And for a simple answer, you can say, can't complain. It means things are going well. Example, how are you doing? Can't complain, thanks. Long time no see. This is a great phrase for when you haven't seen someone in a while. Example, hey, long time no see. How have you been?
And a classic polite reply, I'm doing well, thanks. And you? It's a polite and common way to respond to, how are you? Example, how are you today? I'm doing well, thanks. And you? It's a pleasure to meet you. A polite phrase for meeting someone for the first time. Example, hello, my name is Robbie. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Here are a few more small talk phrases. How was your weekend? Ask this to learn about someone's weekend. Example, hey Sam, how was your weekend? What's new? This is a quick way to ask what's happening in their life. Example, hey, what's new?
And for ending a conversation politely, it was nice talking to you. A friendly way to end a conversation. Example, well, I have to go. It was nice talking to you. See you later. A common informal way to say goodbye. For example, bye. See you later.
Part 2. Expressing opinions and agreement. Now, let's learn phrases to help you share your thoughts. I think that. Use this to introduce your opinion. Example, I think that this new project is a great idea. In my opinion. Another way to introduce your opinion. Example, in my opinion, we should wait until next week.
If you really agree with someone, you can say, I couldn't agree more. It's a strong way to say you completely agree. Example, the movie was fantastic. I couldn't agree more. I'm not so sure about that. A gentle way to say you disagree. Example, the new cafe is the best in town. I'm not so sure about that.
To acknowledge a good idea, try this. That's a good point. Acknowledge that someone has a good idea. Example, maybe we should try a different strategy. That's a good point. I see what you mean. This shows that you understand someone's idea. Example, I see what you mean, but I still think my idea is better.
Here are a few more phrases for agreement and disagreement. I agree with you. A simple way to say you have the same opinion. Example, I think we should go now. I agree with you. I don't think so. A direct way to say you disagree. Example, do you think it will rain? I don't think so. To sound a bit more casual, you've got a point there. A casual phrase for saying someone's idea is good. Example, maybe we should start earlier. You've got a point there. I feel like. A casual way to share your feelings or opinion. Example, I feel like we should get started.
Part 3. Asking for help and clarification. Next up, phrases that are essential for daily life, at school or work. Could you help me with this? A polite way to ask for help. Example, I'm having trouble with this report. Could you help me with this? What do you mean by that? Ask for more details or an explanation. Example, you said the plan changed. What do you mean by that? If you need a repeat, try this polite phrase. Could you say that again, please? A polite way to ask someone to repeat what they said. Example, I didn't quite catch that. Could you say that again, please? I'm not following you. A simple way to say you don't understand. Example, I'm sorry, I'm not following you. Can you explain it differently? A very practical question. How do you spell that? Ask how to write a word correctly. Example, my name is Alex. How do you spell that?
Excuse me. Use this to get someone's attention or politely pass by. Example, Excuse me, could you tell me where the post office is? To ask a quick question. I have a question. A simple way to ask a question? Example. Excuse me, I have a question about the assignment. Can I ask you something? A casual way to ask if someone has time to talk. Example. Hey, can I ask you something quickly? Here's a simple way to express confusion. I'm confused. A simple way to say you don't understand. Example. The instructions are too hard. I'm confused. Can you explain it again? A simple way to ask for a second explanation. Example. I still don't get it. Can you explain it again?
Part 4. Everyday situations. These phrases will help you in many common situations. I'm running late. A quick way to say you are delayed. Example. Sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'll be right there. A promise that you will be somewhere very soon. Example. Are you ready to go? I'll be right there. Just let me grab my keys. To ask for a quick chat? Do you have a minute? Ask if someone is available to talk briefly. Example. Hey, do you have a minute? I need to ask you something. Let me know. Ask someone to keep you updated. Example. Let me know when you're finished with the report. Let's move on to a few more common phrases. What time is it? A common question about the time. Example. Excuse me, what time is it? It's nice to see you. A friendly greeting when you see someone you know. Example. Oh, hi! It's nice to see you again.
To express feelings. I'm starving. A casual way to say you are very hungry. Example. I haven't eaten all day. I'm starving. I'm so tired. A common phrase to say you are sleepy or exhausted. Example. I worked all night. I'm so tired. And for disappointment or saying goodbye, that's a shame. A phrase to express sadness or disappointment. Example. The concert was canceled. Oh, that's a shame. Take care. A friendly way to say goodbye. Example. That Biden take care.
Part 5. Getting things done and making plans. And now for our final set of phrases. Useful for planning and organizing. What do you want to do? Ask for someone's opinion on an activity. Example. We have some free time. What do you want to do? Are you free? Ask if someone is available. Example. Are you free on Friday night? A simple phrase for leaving. Let's get going. A phrase that means, let's leave now. Example. It's getting late. Let's get going. I'm looking forward to it. Show that you are excited about a future event. Example. See you at the party tonight. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Here are a few more to wrap it up. What's your plan? Ask about someone's plans. Example. I'm heading home. What's your plan for the rest of the day? Let's catch up soon. A phrase that means, let's meet and talk again soon. Example. I have to go, but let's catch up soon. For making a promise to talk later. I'll give you a call. Promise to call someone later. Example. I'll give you a call tonight to discuss the details. I'll let you know. A phrase for saying you will provide an update later. Example. I'm not sure if I can go yet. I'll let you know tomorrow. And finally, 2 phrases for simple agreement. Are you ready? A simple question asking if someone is prepared to do something. Example. Are you ready to leave now? Sounds good. A quick way to agree with an idea. Example. Let's meet at 7 p.m. Sounds good.
And there you have it. 50 essential phrases for your daily life.
The key is to practice them every day. Just try using 1 or 2 new phrases, and soon they'll become a natural part of your English.
Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.